Hey, Cesare, back out here in another video, and I'm ever gonna be dyeing my hair a color for the first time from this color that I've had my whole life to something like this. This is the goal right here. If you want to see how this is gonna come out, watch to the end. Not much to say. Go like, subscribe, comment, and without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, I know I look crazy as hell, but I'm about to go to my aunt's for both dyeing our hair, and I'm literally about to put everything in a luggage because it's like a lot of bags and we are not taking all of that up, struggling and stuff. So we're just gonna put it all in a luggage. People probably gonna look at us like, what y'all think y'all going during this? But
she was always lying just to shake up. I was always wanting just to take up, cause she was always flying from the waist up. But now she's running late from her makeup. She was always lying, ashamed love. She was always riding on the drained up. This morning I could tell she was wasted. I've seen a better love, don't quit your day job. The minute I go up, she drops down, down, down. In the morning I show up, she breaks down, down, down. She fills my up with a round, round. She fills my up with a round, round.
Alright, so I just wanted to tell them on the side that I just had almost an anxiety attack doing my daughter's hair. I underestimated it. So listen, I put it in half, I put it in for waist. I did this half, right? Like saturated, like bro, like pop. I look at the bottle, it's almost wasted. When I look at the bottle, it's almost wasted. And I only did half of her hair. Judith, are you listening to this? Half of her hair, one half of her hair is like still like 5 times what I have on my whole head.
No.
Wait till you...
Come on.
That was way harder than it needed to be. So I had to literally, guys, spread the product from the other side of the hair to... Here's what I was doing, guys. I had to comb up the product to transfer it to the place it was. And I went in hard. You saw that, right? And I was in the balcony. No lie. Thank God you helped me. I was like, bitch, I need your time, bro. Just help me with the fly. It looks beautiful. It looks so good. I want it to be all over everywhere. It's gonna be great.
Everybody knows how it's looking right now except me, because I really don't know how it's looking now. It's 9:51 and we started at 8:51. Now I'm about to leave it on for another 30 minutes. So let's see.
Hold up.
Okay, I'm about to look at it. Oh my god. Yeah, I changed a lot, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I think 20 minutes.
Yeah, right? 20
minutes. But I think for the roots here. I mean, not for the roots, for the ends.
Let me see.
Let me see. Yeah, I did like Gucci.
All right, so what time is it, Desi?
It is
Let's go look back.
10:14 p.m.
All right.
And
Let's see how it's looking now. See it up? Yeah, all the way up.
this is how it's looking. I mean, y'all see it. I don't see it.
Do a little spin. Let me see. Slowly. Whoa.
Zoom in a little bit.
Woo! My goodness, I love it.
Oh yes, girl,
Bro.
you look beautiful. I was like dancing now.
Now we're gonna put some of this. We're using a purple shampoo. We hear is great, and shea butter. No, shea moisture.
Shea moisture.
Shea moisture.
No, this one right here. You can't
Let's take this part down.
Alright, so now this is how it looks wet. I know you're probably like, what the heck? What? This looks dark still. But remember that I did not use bleach. Okay, and the fact that it lifted it even this much is a great accomplishment. And this is just phase 1. there will be a phase 2, and however it looks after phase 2 is what it is. Okay. We're going to put. These are all new products, by the way, y'all. We're gonna start with a leave-in conditioner, and we have Carol's daughter, so you know, can't go wrong with her. This is the Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine, 6 times more shine. Let's see all that. Hydrating leave-in conditioner for dry, dull, and brittle hair, which is somewhat of what we have versus before after dyeing it. So yeah, I thought this would be a good product. Smells good. My hair, my curls look so dead. Oh my god. But you know, honestly, like I said before, I don't care how curly my hair is as long as it's not frizzy. That's it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with frizz. It's just something wrong with it on me. Like, I don't like it on me. Now, I'm gonna start with the 10-minute brush process. Just literally brushing and churning, and it makes such a difference, y'all.
This is what happens when you're not a professional. And when you're in quarantine, you only have one pair of gloves that you have to share. Wow. Wow, damn. God.
Oh, it's super light.
It's so beautiful.
But she didn't want it super blonde.
No, but this is beautiful, dude. It's lighting up way more than... Compared to what it looks like this one is dark, it's going to completely change than this. It's going to be way lighter than what it looks right now. What time is it, Daddy?
It is 11:31 p.m.
And how long I've been working?
We started at 8:51 exactly.
And look at my other patient over here. Not my patient, my client. My client over here. I feel like I want to say my other victim.
You gotta show the thickness. I'm gonna go back to work with purple hair, thick as hell.
I think a lot of people are gonna be able to relate to you as far as the thickness. A lot of people got a little thick in this quarantine. I gotta record because as it's drying, I'm telling you, it's getting lighter. Let's take a look around. Let's see how it's looking.
I know you're not finished. No.
Yeah. Oh, girl, your thing has a lot. It looks like golden, like the way. I can't wait to see it in the sun. I don't know how to explain it. It's like,
Oh, it's gonna be great.
wow, like it has rays. If it makes any sense, bro. Like I don't know how to explain it. I know you put product, but I'm just making sure, it's looking through it to see how you know the evenness and stuff. No, I'm just looking like to, just checking my work, bro. Looking good.
My curls, I have never seen them this great, and that's so weird because I thought they were gonna be better. I mean, I don't know what it is, but to me it looks better. I never do deep conditionings, and I use the Shea Moisture Masque, and I did the cap in 30 minutes.
Oh,
I used the Shea Moisture Color Safe shampoo, Shea Moisture Color Safe conditioner, and then I used the Shea Moisture Extra Strength mask. So everything was Shea Moisture, and if you're a curly girl, you know Shea Moisture is life. And yeah, so I don't know what it is, but it's probably that. I don't know. It's coming. Definitely that.
Ooh, turn around. Wow. Okay. Just got home. Contact look, let's see.
I think the brown ones will look better though. The light brown, I think it'll be good. We put them in a part. Yeah, no, I think it'll look better.
We were trying to see if we're in the same family.
And I'll show
Let's see. We both looking good.
Yeah, we have a whole little version of the yellow, orange.
It looks nice.
It
And
does
now
look
we're
better.
gonna get the wine. He leaves the wine purplish. Okay.
Girl, I think that if it went from black to this color, it can go from this to the honey blonde next time. I think we should use the 3 highlights for it.
Hmm?
Like, I think the combo should be more highlight than regular too. I focus more on the here.
Like this will be the time for sure that I will do the roots last, technically.
Yeah.
You feel me?
I still do the roots for last. Like,
Last.
the application 100 great.
Hey. 100
great. I know it was just a dye, you know, it's not gonna just happen in one time. But I think with 2, we'll be good. I hope.
I'm
be optimistic.
good because it's looking better as the more it dries and the more time passes.
I think
You're
it's
feeling it
good.
more, right? And obviously, we do another tone, but it's like
I don't know what I'm feeling, but
I like it. Remember, it's unique. It's a little different. Like, a lot of people have honey blonde. This is, I don't know what to call this. Or you should see what you called it. Ah, it looks beautiful, though. Damn.
Alright, so I just wanted to say that I'm actually gonna make this video into 2 parts. I obviously haven't dyed it again yet. I'm dyeing it again tomorrow, and that will be another video, a part 2 to this video. So if you want to see that, make sure to go subscribe, turn on post notifications on so you're notified when I upload that. Yeah, you should go subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.